guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a video on how I make my smoothie bowls that my sister really likes for some reason. But yeah, so I'm going to do a video on how I do that today, and I'm going to get all the ingredients I need, and I'll get back to y'all when I have all my ingredients. Okay guys, so I have all my ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. We're going to tilt the camera just a little bit down. Okay. So, we have my blueberries. My blender. You'll definitely need a blender for this. And then, you also need a cutting board of some type. So first thing we're going to do, I already rinsed off my blueberries because I have to freeze some of these to keep them. Then I'm going to rinse off my strawberries. I'm just going to rinse off the whole pack. There goes 2 of them. It's okay, I can rinse these off. This one is going in the trash. Okay, so I'm going to rinse these off really well. So, as y'all just heard, I'll just drop the lid to my blender. Okay. So now that those are all done, I'm going to take 1 strawberry. Well, actually 2 because I'm making some for my sister. 1 for just me though. So I'll get another one for my sister. And the ingredients you'll need is fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries, and a banana. Frozen strawberries, milk, granola, and ice. The granola, fresh strawberries, and blueberries are optional. That's like topping. And I'm using Ready-Wood too, just because. So right here, I am slicing my strawberries like this. And then I'm going to do a slice down the middle. Like that. Okay. So that's 1 strawberry. Here's the second strawberry. You want to try to keep it as much aligned as possible. Okay. And then turn and cut it down. So we have the strawberries cut. Blueberries are already rinsed. Half of these, well not half, but some of these have to go in a Ziploc bag so I can keep them in the freezer so I can freeze them. So they will keep a little bit longer just because I need them for something next week. Okay, so now that we cut that up, we are going to move on to the smoothie part. Set this to the side, that's the topping. So for the smoothie part, here's my blender. Set y'all up just a little bit. Okay, so here's my blender. So first thing we're gonna put in is about a little bit of ice. Okay. Then we're going to put in the strawberries. I make these like every single day, so I got the 4-pound bag of frozen strawberries, and yes, this will be used. None will be wasted. Gotta get some scissors. So I'm gonna add a few of these, probably a few handfuls of these. Uh-oh. Am I cutting? Okay. Probably gonna do a few handfuls. Just because of how much I'm making. So my rule is that you don't want too much ice. So what I do is no matter how much strawberries, I always add the same amount of ice. So So these are the sliced ones. I like the whole ones better, but they didn't have the whole ones. They just had sliced. And my hands are clean. So yeah. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Okay. And this has a Ziploc on it. So now, another thing that I add is powdered oats. So it's just oats that I've made to pretty much as fine as I can get them. And I use this for protein. And you don't taste them at all. So I'm just gonna put that in there. It's not a lot of protein, but it gives you some. I'm gonna have to get some more. And then I'm gonna put that to the side and grab my banana. You want to put it in the freezer first thing, so I'm gonna grab that out the freezer. Your banana doesn't have to be frozen like completely or anything. I just like to put mine in the freezer to chill a little for like a few minutes. So then we're going to cut the banana. Well, that's coming off anyway. Kind of hard to cut through. Kind of cut through the banana. You can peel this like a normal person if you want to. I just don't like the ends of it. So that's why I do that. So half of this banana goes in the smoothie. And then the other half is for topping. So I'm going to put these in the smoothie. Then going to go ahead and cut this up. So these I cut a little bit slower because they have to be more exact. So they're not too thick or anything. Okay. So these are all my toppings, minus the granola. Okay. So back to the smoothie part. So now, oh gosh, sorry y'all. So now that we've added everything in, the last thing you want to do is add in the milk. You can use any type of milk, cashew milk, almond milk, regular milk. I sometimes use almond, it just depends on what type of milk we have. You don't want to add too much. You want to just have like just enough because it's supposed to be a smoothie bowl. So as in it's supposed to be like thick. So you want to blend this until it's nice and smooth. So I'm just going to rinse this top off since I did drop it on the ground. And I'm going to blend it until it is nice and smooth. Actually, you know what? I actually am adding some more strawberries just because I'm making some for my sister. Okay, that should be enough for now. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna blend this and clean up this mess. So I'll get back to y'all when it's done blending. Peace. Okay guys, so I just got done mixing it. Here it is. So I have 2 bowls. This one's mine. This one's my sister. My sister wanted a smaller one. So I am just going to pour them in here. I'm trying to fix my tripod, whatever it's called. I'm just gonna pour hers in first. Okay. I'm gonna pour mine. I'll put some more in hers. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, make sure you add sugar into it. You don't want to add too much sugar, but you don't want to add none at all. Unless that's how you make your smoothies, just because like, you don't want to add too much sugar so it's not healthy, but you don't want to add none so it's not like bitter or whatever. So I did end up adding more sugar. So I'm just smoothing it out over the top. And I definitely have to add more milk. You're gonna have to just eyeball the milk. I might try to come up with a recipe for this, and I will make a new video on this if I do get a recipe. It's just like a process. So here are the bowls. They're just right there. So first thing first is you want to make them look pretty. So first, I'm going to set y'all up so y'all can see me put the stuff on. I'll get back to y'all. So here is the finishing touches. So yeah, hold on. Okay. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.